Hi students, this is Jyoti Miss, your computer teacher. Students, all of you open your computer textbooks and see lesson 1, page number 5. Children, I already finished explanation of this lesson and I kept 2 videos in school app. Okay children, so now I am giving notes for that first lesson, that is types of computers. Okay children, so children, how you have to write notes? Keep a white pages notebook and write neatly the notes regarding to my instructions. First you have to put heading neatly 1 types of computers. After that you should write see page number 9. Here multiple choice questions are given. No, multiple choice questions are given. Page number 9. You write first these multiple choice answer questions. Okay, so what are these questions, how you have to write? I already explained in video also, last week video. Once again I am explaining this, you see. So see here what is given, tick the correct option. A digital computer works on the principle of, so what is the answer? Continuous physical quantities, binary number system, characters and analog data. So which one is right? Binary number system. A digital computer works on binary number system. Okay children, and coming to the second bit. Hybrid computers are a combination of, what is the answer? Analog and digital computers. Analog and digital computers. Next see, according to the highest to the lowest processing speed, computers may be placed as, the A is the answer. Supercomputers, mainframe computers, mini computers and micro computers. So this is the answer. Next see fourth blank. A dash computer is designed to the system unit, input device and output device. Can be placed on or under a desk. What is the answer? Those are desktops. Okay children. Now see page number 10. Page number 10 you see. Here is another one multiple choice question is there, you see. What kind of computers do we use at home? Which type of computers we use at home? Desktop computers. Not mainframes, not supercomputers, not home computers. We use desktop computers at home. So these are all about the multiple choice question and answers. Coming to see here, fill in the blanks you see. First one, dash computers works with quantities that vary continuously. Answer is analog. Answer is analog. Next, dash computers are designed to be used by anyone for any application. Answer is general purpose computers. General purpose computers. Next, one of the main features of dash computers is consistency. Answer is wearable computers. Wearable computers. Next, dash PCs are good for taking notes in locations where standard notebook computers cannot be used. Answer is tablet PCs. Tablet PCs. Next, embedded computers are the dash built into various products. Answer is microprocessors. Okay. So this is about the fill in the blanks. Next see children. Question and answers. Question and answers. Answer the following questions. What is the first question? On the basis of processing speed, how are computers classified? For this question, answer is, see page number 9. Page number 9 you see, in brief is there, no? Here you see point, third point you see. Third point. There are different categories of computers when we classify them based on their size and performance. They are super mainframe, mini, microcomputers and variable computers. This is the answer of the first question. You mark this one. Next, see what is the second question. What is the second question? What are analog computers? For this one, see page number 5. Page number 5 you see analog computers is there, no? Side heading. From here onwards, object and weight. Object and weight. Up to here you write the second question answer. Here analog computer side heading is there, no? From side heading onwards up to an object and weight. Okay children. Next see what is third question. What is third question? What are hybrid computers? How their use different from digital computers? For this one answer. See page number 6. See page number 6. Hybrid computers are there, no? Hybrid computers. From side heading onwards, here see heartbeat. Is there, no? Heartbeat. Up to here you write. So this is the third question answer. Next children. See what is the fourth question. Fourth question. On the basis of operations. See children, fourth question. On the basis of operations, how are computers classified? On the basis of operations, how are computers classified? For this question, see page number 9. Page number 9 you see. In brief is there, no? In brief. Here, see the second point. There are 3 different types of computers when classified based on the operations, that is analog, digital and hybrid computers. In brief, second point is the fourth question answer. In brief, second point is the fourth question answer. Next see page, what is the fifth question? How are supercomputers different from microcomputers? How are supercomputers different from microcomputers? For this question, see page number 8. Supercomputers is there, no? From side heading onwards, supercomputers. From side heading onwards, here you see agencies. Is there, no? Agencies. Up to here you write. From supercomputers onwards, agencies. Here not finished. Again you should write here 2 supercomputers developed by India are Param and Anurag. Param and Anurag. This point also you should write. Here also not finished. Fifth question answer. See page number 6. Microcomputers is there, no? Microcomputers. From side heading onwards. From here onwards, this full paragraph up to microcomputers. You should write up to here. So fifth question answer is coming to here. Supercomputers from here to, once again I am saying fifth question answer, don't get confusion, listen carefully. From fifth question answer, page number 8, from supercomputers to agencies. After that, the last line, two supercomputers developed by India are Param and Anurag, that one. And in page number 6, see here, microcomputer side heading. From here onwards, side heading also you should write. Here onwards, types of microcomputers up to here. So fifth question answer is, you have to write these three parts. This one and this one. Sorry. This one and this one and this one. Okay, right, children? So this is about the fifth question answer. Next, see what is the sixth question. What is the sixth question? Explain analog computers. Explain analog computers. For this question, see page number 5. Page number 5 you see. Here is there no analog computer side heading. From here onwards, analog computers is there no? Not there. Down of that line, here is one paragraph, see. The analog computers. Here see, this is sixth question answer. The analog computers deals with these varying quantities. From here onwards. This is second question answer, no? So you don't write this. Down of this one, second paragraph is there. Here, the analog computers deals with these varying quantities. From here onwards, etc. is there, no? Etc. Full paragraph you should write as the sixth question answer. Okay, children, what is the sixth question answer? In analog computer side heading, there is a second paragraph. That second paragraph is the sixth question answer. Next, see what is the seventh question. What is the difference between desktop computer and laptops? For this question, children, see page number 6. Here is there no desktop computers. From here onwards, here desk up to here. After that, coming to page number 7, portable computers is there, no? You don't write here portable computers. Here you write laptop computers. Laptop computers you write here. When you are writing in notes, you write you don't write portable computers, you write laptop computers. And here you write from first you write desktop computer side heading and write those 2 points. After that you put side heading laptop computers and write from here onwards. Some computers can be carried from one place to another very easily. They are called portable, or here mobile computers is there, no? You round off these mobile computers. In the place of mobile you write laptop computers. Children, are you understanding? In the place of mobile computers you write laptop computers. That's only change. After that, they are lightweight computers. They contain a rechargeable battery so that they can be used even when not plugged into main power supply. These are thin yet as powerful as an average desktop computer. Up to here. Okay, children, what here question asked? Differences between desktop computers and laptop computers. So in page number 7 there is desktop computers. Put side heading and write these 2 points. And put side heading laptop computers and write here up to desktop computers. From some onwards up to desktop computers you should write. This is the 7th question answer. Okay, children. So this is about the question and answers. After that you see hearts, children. You see hearts. What is here given? Hearts. Name some places where we use the following computers. So first one is microcomputers are used in where? Homes, offices, schools, hospitals, etc. Homes, offices, schools, hospitals, etc. Next, mainframe computers are used in bankings, airlines, railways, etc. Next, supercomputers are used weather forecasting, aircraft designing, defense services. So you write this one. Okay. Here given, collect pictures of these places and paste them in a scrapbook. But to collect these pictures, you have to go outside. So that is now risk. That's why you no need to paste, collect these pictures and paste. Just you write these names. This is enough for these hearts. Okay, children. After that, see, discussion time is there, no? After that, see, discussion time. What is here discussion time? Suppose you wish to buy a laptop computer, explore the following features for 2-3 laptops available in stores. So you have to verify each laptop having who are manufacturer, what is the model, what is CPU speed, what is atomic of RAM available, hard disk capacity, screen size, price, maximum amount of RAM that can be installed. Like that you have to prepare a table. How you have to prepare table, children? See here. See how I created a serial number, feature name, Lenovo laptop, Lenovo company laptop, Apple company laptop. Just you take two laptops, it's enough. And you write all features, manufacturer, model, CPU speed, next what, amount of RAM available, hard disk capacity, screen size, price, maximum amount of RAM. Like that you have to write all features like this. After that you verify in mobile what is the who are the manufacturing company of the Lenovo, right? After that which model you want to take, write that model. After that what is the CPU speed of that laptop. After that what is the amount of RAM available in that Lenovo laptop. After that what is the hard disk capacity. Like that you table you prepare and write the features of this Lenovo computer and this Apple computer features. You should prepare a table like this in the discussion time. Okay, children? Are you understanding what I am saying? Okay. So this is about the notes. So how you have to write now, children? First you put lesson heading, types of computers. After that you write multiple choice question and answers. You should write all options also, you should write in notes and tick this one. How is here, like that only you should write. Okay. First you write multiple choice question and answers. After that you write fill in the blanks. After that you write question and answers. After that you write hearts. After that you write discussion time. Means like this. First you note down this question. Discussion time. Put heading discussion time. Note down this full question. After that you prepare this table. You prepare this table. Here I wrote only 3 features. For example, I wrote only 3 features. But you should write full 8 features up to H. All features you should write and gather the information of these two. Just I am taking Lenovo and Apple. You can take whatever you want, that laptop companies, you can take that examples and you can write, you can prepare the table of this features of 2 different laptops. Okay, children? So this is the notes how you have to write. Okay, children? If you are having any doubt, you can call me or you can put a message in WhatsApp. Okay, children? So this is about the first lesson notes. Now I am closing this class. We will meet in next class. In the next class, we will discuss about advanced features of Microsoft Word. Second lesson we will learn in the next class. Okay, children? We will meet in next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.